You want to know something else?
No. Yes.
No.
Yes.
When here in your farm, we are using this part 20 units per hectare.
Okay.
The other part 30 units per hectare.
Okay.
Now I'm not going even to check the 30.
Wow.
Because this is what we see in the 20.
Wow. If the 20 is like in the 30, you don't even have to even go there to check with the time.
But let me tell you something. 2 days ago, we checked other farms, but they have 10 units. And we found the same results.
Wow, 10 minutes.
Yes.
So, you can even manage with 10 units per hectare and you still get a positive result. Wow. 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 So even if you're able to manage with 10 units, you're still reducing your expenses and you're still getting 100% positive results.
Let's say 99 for you.
That is good.
Yes.
No, it's good business because if I'm able to manage with 10 units on my farm and I'll get the 100% results, why would I waste my time? Yeah, and these freedoms will last me for several months. I don't have to take them off. I only have to just, if it finishes, I only have to come and push it back. And that's all. I don't go tree to tree, hustling, doing scouting and... Oh God.
If you like, you can continue doing it. Okay? Go after every rain, to the field, you know? You can still continue. But only if you like it.
Why would I even do that? The freedoms will do the job for me. Why would I do that?
If you enjoy it.
I will enjoy it maybe by visiting my trees like, hey, how are you? Wow, that's nice. Really, I'm happy. I'm very much happy. I'm very, very happy.